So welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. So Kubernetes series is running. Today we are going to discuss about monitoring. So we'll see. Let's get into topic. Kindly share and subscribe my channel if you do like. Thank you so much. Let me get into your walk you through and topic. Let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Today we are discussing about monitoring cluster components. Okay. So we have seen monitoring in AWS, right? We have seen AWS, we have seen in Docker also. So how we have you seen Docker logs, right? Using Docker
Docker
logs,
log. Yes, sir.
right? So in AWS by using CloudWatch, so we have seen CPU
CloudWatch.
utilization, right? RAM utilization, and also we have seen all the metrics, correct? So the same way we have to watch the clusters and nodes because you know the same monitoring monitoring motto is the same for everything in the AWS also. Okay, in Docker also, in Kubernetes also are the same. Okay, but the simple general scenario, what is the use of monitoring? Okay, what is the use of monitoring? This is what you have to know, right?
Yes, sir.
So purpose of general scenario, if you can understand what is the purpose of monitoring generally. So why
Mainly
we
to
have to
keep
monitor?
to see what's happening, sir. Like if any error or to be aware of further disturbances or any occur error.
Good, good, correct. Yes, same kind of. So why we have to monitor? So pods are ephemeral, right? We have discussed earlier.
Yes, sir.
Pods are ephemeral. So without watching this, we doesn't know what is happening background, right? So for example, in monitoring tool, for example, in Kubernetes, so in AWS also we have seen. In AWS we have seen CPU utilization, okay, RAM utilization. Okay, so these are all things because if your CPU gets reach up to 80%, the performance will be down. RAM also will be same, right? RAM if it reaches to 80%, the performance will be down and the application will be slow down. The same way pods also, correct? The same way nodes also, same way clusters also. So we have to monitor the pods, we have to monitor the nodes, we have to monitor the cluster because it is interdependent, right? So we have to monitor the cluster. If the performance is really good for the cluster, so then everything will be fine. If the nodes performance is really good for the nodes performance, then it is really good for the pods. If pods are good, okay, if really pods are working fine inside the applications, okay, inside the applications will be works very fine. Okay, that is what our agenda, to maintain proper applications, to maintain zero downtime. Okay, to all these things, not only for that, CPU utilization, okay, pods also, RAM, okay, for pods also CPU utilization will be there, RAM utilization will be there. To monitor this we can give the best performance, you understood, for that purpose, right? So yeah,
Yes.
how do you monitor resource consumption in Kubernetes? Okay, so more importantly, what would you like monitor? Okay, so in earlier, for example, there are, for example, if it is a cluster, okay, this is a cluster, cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3. Okay, so are you able to see my screen clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right, so
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah.
So for example, every cluster, okay, if it is cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, right? So in this, CPU will be there, RAM will be there, memory, okay, and disk space will be there. So these are all things will be there, right? These are all, everything will be there for AWS. Okay, any machine, for example. Okay, so like CPU utilization, we can see, right? So memory also, and disk management. So all these things. So you can monitor CPU, you can monitor, okay, your memory, you can monitor your disk spaces. Okay, so every day by day, maybe initially it will be empty, right? Maybe initially it will be occupied somewhat. So day by day, if you are using the applications, your CPU utilization will be gets up to 80%, right? But till reaching it 80%, if you doesn't know what will happen, unexpectedly it reach up to 100%. If it reach it up to 100%, what will happen? CPU performance will get down. Okay, it will take, if you want, if this on top of this, whatever the applications are running, it will take too much time to load. So which means performance will get down, no applications will run, in the sense business loss, correct? So the same way, memory utilization,
Yes.
disk management, these are all things will happen. Okay, so that is why we have to monitor the application. For example, not only for this, pods also. Okay, for pods, for example, for pods, if it is an ephemeral, right? Pods are ephemeral. So might be this may be get chances to pod get deprecated, pod get deleted, pod get disturbed, pod get be expired, all these things. If you do continuous monitoring, you can identify that, identify the clear issues, correct? So this is a how, that is a reason, right? So if you know the issue, so you can stop the issue, or you can get the solution instantly. You can get the solution what you have to do next. So you'll have alternate things, that's what you can do, right? So yes, so in the monitoring we have a Prometheus, Elastic Stack, Datadog, Dynatree. So for monitoring tools, correct? So these monitoring tools are there. So these are all monitoring tools we have available. Okay, so and also we have our own for Kubernetes, we have our own monitoring setup, correct? So I'll let you know. So Heapster, actually Heapster is old method, right? So Heapster was there earlier. So Heapster used to do all these things, whatever. So in the sense, this is not high level, but Heapster is also used to do the same kind of process. It is used to monitor this process, all those. But Heapster completely deprecated. What is the meaning of deprecated, Ashwant? What is deprecated? Heapster deprecated, which means it's expired,
Expired.
which means
Yes.
no updated. So no further updates, no any upgrade for the Heapster. It got deprecated. So no, now metric servers came into the picture. Okay, okay. So in metric server, now we are
Yes.
using metric server. In metric server also we have an issues. Okay, so it is in memory. Okay, what is in memory? It is in memory, which means, so it will just to monitor. Okay, it will metrics, it will show the metrics, but it can't store. You understood? So
Yes.
this
Yes.
is what metric server, right? So next, so that's why, so by using metric servers, so we can use kubelet. C advisor is there for watching, for kubelets. Okay, to watching, C advisor will be there in Kubernetes. How? So how it will get? So we have to install. Okay, so we have a binaries. By using that binaries, so it will get C advisor. Advisor will watch. Understood, right? So you can see metric
Yes.
server getting started. How? So we have a binary setup. Okay, we have to clone it from GitHub. This is not production purpose, this is for testing. So production purpose, we have to use Prometheus, Elastic, Datadog, Dynatree, all these things according to your company requirements. Okay, for now it is actually hands-on level, correct? We are in testing level. So in testing level you can use this.
Yes.
You can use this, right? So this is what about all about yes, monitoring tools of monitoring tools for Kubernetes. You understood? So let us do in
Yes.
practically. Let us clone and let us see how it is working. So next steps in hands-on. Right? So can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why I'm trying to make you to do all these things. You understood, Ashwin?
Yes, sir.
You
It will
have
be
to do
practice.
practice. You have to get the practice. If I do teach, I can also do. Okay, I can do everything by myself, but so you will not get hands on. At least if you be with me, you can do somewhat. I don't know after offline what, I don't know. Okay, offline I'm not sure whether you practice or not, but at least somewhat you can do practice with me, right?
Yes, sir.
You should keep in mute sometime just for time. And did you practice on Git and Docker?
Yes, sir. Git practice, sir.
Okay. Okay. What about Docker? So are you able to pull the image, push the image, your own customized image, some kind of HTML application you have to show me. So are you able to do that? So if you have HTML applications, I mean like HTML files, so those files you have to keep in Git. That's what my assignment for you. You have to keep in Git from Git. Okay. I don't know the
Yes, sir.
process, but you have to. So I don't want anything to explain me, but so you have to keep in Git. Then after, so you have to build the image. Okay, and you
Yes, sir.
have to keep that in Docker Hub, and that you have to be
Okay.
accessed. So when you will do this, all these things.
Today I will try and tomorrow will show, sir.
Yesterday I told
After
you,
one
right? I
class.
messaged you, right?
Yes, sir. I practiced Git, sir.
Whole day you practice Git only.
Yeah, sir. It was confusing, sir.
So you should have messaged me, right? At least whenever I get enough free time, I would have responded.
Yeah, I will do, sir. I will do and show you.
So did you try with the git pull?
Yes, sir. Git pull and git push I have tried, sir. It is working.
Okay, what is the fetch?
Fetch will pull everything in the this my Git account, sir. Like it will clone the repository.
For cloning purpose you are telling?
No, sir. Get fetch will fetch all the documents or files in the repository, sir. Like when using git pull, we can pull particular repository.
Hmm.
While using fetch, we will fetch everything, sir. Like downloads objects and reference from another repository also.
Okay. So will you show me that also?
Yes, sir.
So next time onwards, what we will do is you can create one repository for
Yes,
sample.
sir.
You can keep one sample HTML file. You can share with me that file. I will do some changes. So after that,
Okay, sir.
okay, you can that branch also you can give it to me in real time scenario. What how they will work in the sense they won't work with their own GitHub repositories. Okay, one repository will be there, right? One branch will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understood?
Yes, sir. Like
Okay, if you,
it will be in feature branch, and they will after all the uh, necessary edits, they will push into the main branch.
so for example, if I have four developers will not main. Why main not touch in the sense main in main they will keep main code. Okay, whole
Yes, sir.
code. It is final code. For example, if everybody touch main, if everybody push main unexpectedly, if it is really a club, so the application will be disturbed. So for that only they will create their own branches. First they will create their branches. So they will try to add their code. Okay, they will push into their branches. So after that, everybody will try to pull. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. After that, after pulling, they will fetch.
They will fetch. Yes, sir.
Right. After then only they will fetch into main branch. So
Yes,
they
sir.
are going bypassing. Okay, they are bypassing. So main branch will be common, but sub branches, whatever their branches, they will work on their branches. So then only they will merge in code. They will try to merge the code into main branch.
Yes, sir.
Right. So don't follow any theoretical all. So try to do practice. If you do practice, then you can understand.
Yes.
What is git merge also? You should show me what is git merge also.
Yes, sir. Like for merging branches,
But
two
merging
branches, it
branches,
will
two
be.
branches, you can create two branches. Okay, how to merge?
Yes, sir.
So, so you create two different branches and you have to merge with those two branches with the
Main main branch.
main
Yes, sir.
branch. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Cluster is got ready? No, yet. Okay. Did you see my website?
Yes, sir. Yesterday, no, day before yesterday, I saw, sir. It is working at night also. I saw.
With the domain. Did you see with the domain?
No, sir. With that link, I saw. You shared the link, no, sir.
Hmm. So I did this in 2 hours.
Yes, sir. In GoDaddy you hosted or different, sir?
GoDaddy only.
But you will get the bill, no, sir. Like it will be in Road 53. It will be active all the time.
No, I'm not using Route 53. GoDaddy is there.
Or directly in GoDaddy. Okay.
So firstly, initially I was used with Docker. Okay, AWS Docker, AWS and Docker. After that, I just removed all.
Yes, sir.
In GoDaddy also there is VPS. In that you can
Yes, sir.
host your static websites. Are you getting any noise from my side?
No, sir. No, sir. It's clear.
Actually, my sync fan is running, but you are not getting any noise.
No, sir.
Okay.
It is ready, sir. Cluster is ready.
Okay. Uh, just open control plane.
Node, sir. Should I describe?
Can you do this minikube add-ons?
Here only, sir.
Yeah, in root, right? This is root. Minikube
Mini cube.
add add on add-on. Yes. Enable.
Correct, sir.
Yeah. Enable metrics hyphen server hyphen server
Sir, matrix iPhone.
server.
Yes, sir.
Enter. What is this? Minikube. So we did not used minikube. I think we have used cops cluster. That's all. That's not a big deal. Okay. Mm, okay, that's not a big deal.
It is saying mini
Sorry,
cube, sir.
minikube we did not used, right? Minikube we did not used. We have used cops cluster. That's okay. That's okay. We have other alternates. Not a big deal. So I will share with you one link. Okay. So you have to run this on control plane.
I have to connect to the in another session, sir.
Hmm. Just
Sir,
control
for
plane
this
key.
key,
Hmm. Same key
should I
only,
use
right?
the same key, sir?
Same key only. It will works for the same. Enter. Yeah. I think you should not use control plane. You should use Ubuntu only. Machine is Ubuntu, right?
Okay.
Okay, do one thing. Directly you can open browser. Then wait here. Just go there. Git bash. Sorry, mobile extreme. Can you try here first?
Yes, sir. The same comment, sir,
Yeah,
that you
same,
shared.
same.
Same
Yeah,
comment.
yeah, same one. You copied right already.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Okay. What is that? Command minikube not found. Yeah, correct. That is okay. Different, right? Okay. Can you
Yes, sir.
try?
From the
Can you try in cluster? Keep here. So next, uh, open mobile extreme. Try this command. Maintain notebook. Okay. Whatever I'm sending.
yes, sir. In Cops
Yeah.
cluster, I
Paste.
have to
Yeah,
paste
yeah.
the Cops
Okay.
main.
Yes, yes. Here itself. Enter. Okay. Go to cluster. Try here. Paste here. What is that? It's working, right?
The connection to the server localhost was refused. Did you specify the right host or port it is telling? Sir?
Can you copy this and ChatGPT try? Try in ChatGPT.
With the command, sir.
Yeah, that one, including command. Open ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So right here I'm working on. I'm no no no. I'm using COPS cluster COPS management KOPS cluster. I'm trying to comma. I'm trying to set up monitoring. Set up monitoring for my cluster and nodes. So so I'm encountering comma. I'm getting or I'm getting error below. Please resolve the issue. paste here, enter. So I have commands that were whatever commands I had that I used in Minikube only. So for this, okay. So use one by one. What is the context name? You will get context name here. No, no, from here. Wait, wait, wait.
Yeah. Yes.
First you have to run that command. You will get context name. So what is that?
Current context is not set, sir.
Okay, copy this command and so now copy this error and paste there. Paste in ChatGPT directly. It will it will rebuild everything. It will get enter. Okay, try this way. Cat, try this. Check. Can you check this in here? Yes, here.
This one, sir.
Mobile extreme. Yes, outside of the cluster. Yeah, enter. It is there. Can you try with this that command? Whatever ChatGPT has given earlier, the first command. So can you try this process in this outside cluster
Yes,
control
sir.
plane? I mean,
Config current context. Yes, sir. It is coming. H1
wait, I
domain
can't
name is
see. I can't see. Your screen is stuck. I think network issue. I think so.
mine is working,
Wait,
sir.
wait, 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 wait. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, yeah. 1 second.
Shall I clear the screen, sir? Like new line, Control L.
Uh, can you can you move your mouse? No. Okay, fine. Yeah, I can see now. Mm. Context is okay, fine. So copy that concept. Go use Notepad always, Nishant. Okay. Copy that context. That is context name. Your whatever Kshatriya is there, na? So you whatever you are doing, just follow properly with the document. So otherwise, how can you
Yes,
again you have to go back and you need to check. That will be confused. So maintain proper notebook.
yes, sir.
So commands, take command. So it might be sometimes it might be success. It might get success. Sometimes it might be failure. But if it is success, again you have to go back to the and you have to check one by one. Maybe sometimes it will be closed. So again this will be so whenever you try instantly you can understand, but after some time you never get to know. So again you have to do from the scratch. That will be not good practice always.
Yes, sir.
So use context name with this command kubectl config use
It
context.
is for switching the context, sir, to correct context.
So then kubectl
And
config
this is for
get the
list all context.
okay then okay. So we
Current
have
and history.
okay, name cluster something it is showing some result, that's okay. Next comment, scroll up little.
Check your cluster status, sir.
Mm. Validate cluster.
I should try this, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's working fine. Come down. So it is showing some troubleshooting. That's fine. Come down. I mean, come down in the sense not here. ChatGPT. Okay. Update
Update pops and
clusters. Oh, already it is done, right? We have done already. It is.
yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay. So we have done this after creating cluster, right? Before creating cluster.
recreate the kube config. If none of the above steps work, you may regenerate your kube config file.
No, 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 no need. Already done all these things. That's why we got kubectl get nodes. So we have used already these things before creating clusters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just give me 1 second.
I should try
Okay.
this command, no, sir.
Wait.
kubectl create.
No, 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 no. So whatever you have a git command, right? You can use that git command. Already that got succeeded, right? Correct.
Yeah, that got
So
succeeded,
then
sir. After
then
that,
then kubectl create something it is then na. You
yes,
can
sir.
you
This
can
one.
copy that command. Copy that command. Take ChatGPT separate page. So yeah, here in ChatGPT blank page with the blank page. Click on ChatGPT. Yeah. Here, uh, please correct this. Please correct below comment for COPS cluster. For COPS. KOPS, not COPS. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and yeah, paste that. Hmm. Okay. First to use that command. Metric server it is showing. Take that command please.
This one, sir.
Yeah, only one command we have, right? So the same
Yeah.
command copy. Yeah, same utilize in the paste in mobile extreme COPS management cluster. Paste here. Enter. Yeah, fine. Created. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay. Open your notepad. Okay. So here, no need context, right? No need
Yes, sir.
context, right? Yeah. So remove that that also. Yes. Remove that also. Two steps are correct, right? So
Yes, sir.
now use
What
kubectl
shall I
top
name
node.
this, sir?
Huh? What?
Any heading for this, sir? Like, what is this used for to install?
That is for actually deploy metric server. Deploy the metric server. Deploy the metric server. First one is clone the metric server. Metrics. METRIC. Metric. Okay. And first one is clone the metric server. Okay. So now you have to use the command called kubectl top node.
Sir, kubectl.
Top top node.
Sir, I'm not able to hear clearly.
Kubectl
It's getting.
top node.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Kubectl top
Top.
node. Node. Top command, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Enter. So what we are getting?
CPU usages, memory usage.
Correct. That's what we have to see. By using this, we can you can check the Status here, CPU utilization, you can see in percentage, CPU 49%. Okay, for
Yes,
this
sir.
first one, first cluster, second one, and third one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in memory you can see in this 34%, 59%, 28% in percentages. In bytes you can see 1.3 MB, 2.2 MB,
Yes, sir.
1.96 MB, like that. Okay, so this
Yes,
is
sir.
how. And you can use other kubectl top pod. We have to see for pods now. Kubectl
Yes, sir.
top, what is the use of top command in Linux?
Top command SM, sir, to see the free
Current
spaces.
running processes,
Correct.
and along with the
Yes.
utilization.
Utilization.
Okay, kubectl top pod, enter.
Pods are not running, sir. No pods are
Default name,
running.
no resources in default, which means no pods. Create
Yes, sir.
pod, create one sample pod, or you have already manifest files.
Yes, sir.
Pod 1. Yeah, you take that.
Only pod are
Yes,
enough,
yeah,
sir.
that's enough,
Only this
that's enough,
much.
just enough. How many pods are there? Okay, do one thing, take two or three. Using three iPhones, you can create three pods, right? Or two pods,
Yes, sir.
because you have to see the differentiation, right? Enter. Mm. Names should be different, right?
Yes, sir. We can.
Pod 1, pod 2, pod 3,
Shall I
like
create
that.
another one, sir?
Create another one. Yeah. Pod 1, pod 2, pod 3. Better third one you can take a different one, okay? Because if you take same similar one, you will get percentage will be same, right? It will show this
Yes, sir.
percentage will be same. You can take different one, last one. You can see the difference then. So take big pod along with the services node, something will be there, right? Node port and services, along with the services and node port, some pod we have created last class. Take that, right?
This one I have changed from pod 1 and this is pod 2, sir.
That's it. Yeah. Next to take node port or services. I think we have seen some Lokesh image, right? By using some Docker Hub, my image with my image.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take enter,
Yes.
copy this. Yeah. So if it pulls, what will happen? It will take, it will utilize the memory more.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm
Yes, sir. Yes.
using like this. Yeah. Keep, save it.
So, should I save, sir?
Just save it. You run the command kubectl apply. Mm, enter. So now that's fine. Now you can run the command kubectl top no pod.
Yes, sir.
Enter. So metrics not available yet, which means not yet created. Can you please see kubectl get pods? So all are running. Just take a time and
Yes.
try to use the command later sometime. Yeah. Try now. So you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Linux is 3 MB and the
Hmm.
Clinic website
That is
is
in
2
2 MB.
MB.
That's yeah, correct. Okay, fine. Correct. So this is how we can see. And uh, so questions we have seen already. So we have deployed few pods running workloads. Inspect it in the sense this is a question, interview question I'm telling. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will ask the questions according to that you try. Okay. So for example, if you get a question like we have deployed a few pods running in workloads, can you inspect in it? Okay, pods inspection. How would you do? kubectl.
Describe pod
We
to
have deployed
inspect
a
pod
pod.
user.
Inspect to the pod by using this matrix. kubectl get pods
Metrics.
only.
Yeah,
Get
get
pods.
pods.
Can you use
Yes,
this?
sir.
kubectl get pods. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can use this. And the question, other question is, let us deploy a metric server to monitor the pods and nodes. Pull the Git repository from the deployment files, which means then whatever we have cloned. So you have to use that. Okay, you have to search and you
Yes,
can
sir.
do that. Okay, and deploy the metric server by creating the components downloaded. Okay, run the kubectl create -f. Okay, and metric server you have to use and create -f. That's okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, other question is it takes. Okay, the other question is what is the use of the command of kubectl top node?
Yes, sir. To see the memory occupied in the nodes by the nodes
Hmm.
and the CPU utilized by nodes.
Okay, if you use pod.
I will describe. It will give the details of memory and CPU usages of pods.
Pod, yes. Next. Okay, let me share my screen.
Shall I stop as?
Yeah, yeah, I will share now. Yeah, see this? Can you see my screen? Right? Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
managing application logs by using application logs in Docker, I'm telling. In Docker, so we have seen what is the command in Docker. Can you please tell me what is the command in Docker? I don't want to show this to you.
Docker for checking logs.
Your voice is getting break.
Hello.
Docker. This is the command
In Docker,
actually.
sir.
Yeah,
Docker logs and container names, sir.
exactly. Docker logs and
Container name.
yeah, container name. Right. So by using this, we can see
Yes,
the
sir.
Docker logs. Okay.
Logs.
So so like this. Okay. So we can see Docker logs like this. Docker logs hyphen c ecf something. That is their. Okay, that's fine. I have copied from somewhere else. So in Kubernetes, if you want to see, you can use. If you want to see the logs, you can use this method. Okay, Cube API version pod metadata. So that's something. It is name. Okay, container. So this is image. Okay, any image. For example, Lokesh Joe 01 slash I don't know the image. I forgot. I will take the image. Do you remember that image?
Website, sir.
Yeah, let me check. Okay, I think this is the image, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the image. Okay, right, this is the image, right? Okay, let it be. So we have to create like this. Okay, to create manifest file now. Hey, excuse me, 1 minute. Oh shit, charging down. Yeah, so I'll share. So see, this is the way we have to use. Okay, in Kubernetes. Okay, so we have to create a pod for watching. Okay, are you?
Yes, sir.
I'll share with you. Yeah, you can take this. I think this is not, indentation is not good. Use this command. So you can use R, right, to restart. This is refused. This is not one. I think last one. I think so. Try last one. There is network issue. Timed out. Can you try with last one? Okay. Okay. That's fine. You can take it back. 4993. It's 4993. That one. Yeah. 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 Copy that pod. Create a pod. Pod two. Yeah. You can give like that. Yes. Mm, enter. Paste. Yeah. Yes. Paste here. Correct. So image you should keep proper. Yes. All right. API version 1 kind. Okay. Simulator pod. That's fine. You can save it. Right. Uh, Fine. Now you can apply. Yes. It will create. So then after you can use the command kubectl logs pod name and kubectl get logs. Sorry. Kubectl logs -f and pod name. kubectl get pods first. Turn on your unmute it. Yes. Yeah. Now do that. So what? Which one we have created? That simulator pod, right?
This one, sir.
Error
But error
pulling
image.
image. Okay. Why error? Okay. Image issue. Is that image issue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second. I'll try to share other one.
Shall I use the previous one, sir? Like
You can use that.
previously,
Yeah, you can use that.
this one shall I use, sir? Clinic.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. No, you have used old one only.
Sir,
You have used old one only. They remove it. This is latest one only. So you can type clinic hyphen website. You can copy it from chat. No, you copied the
you
same
can
one.
copy only.
Yeah. Yes. Paste here. Save. Apply. Replace or apply? Replace it. Enter. Okay. Delete the pod. Or check the pods. Keep still get pods. Okay. Delete that. First, whatever it is not, it is running, right? Clinic is running, and whatever it is not working,
This
that is
is
delete.
previous one, sir.
13 minutes only, right?
Yeah, before we gave some another
Okay.
one, sir. Like we created
Okay.
for top comment.
Got you. Mm-hmm. Fine. Delete this. Yes. Get. Kubectl pod. Delete pod. Yes. Now try. Hmm. Yeah. Try check. Get pods. It's working. And now you can use the logs. kubectl logs hyphen f pod name.
Sir, hyphen F means file name. So we can
Hmm.
give pod name also, sir.
File name. File name. Sorry. File name. It,
Hello.
manifest file name. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
You
should
can
use
give
file name or pod name, sir.
file name. So monitoring something that is there, right? Enter try.
Yeah.
Not found namespace in default. Okay, pod
Pods,
try with
pods,
pod. That why I think it is force. I think so. It is not file maybe. Maybe if it is force sometimes. Yeah, give the pod name. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is giving all logs. Hmm?
yes, sir.
Getting logs. See Nginx image. Linux,
Yes, sir. Engineer.
right? Worker
OSS
process
Linux.
that yes,
Start.
it is giving. So logs are working. Okay. So next what you have to do is uh, So do we have any container name?
In the image, sir, we
Hmm.
have created
Good. So we did not created any command container, right? Container name we have given event to something, right?
yes, sir,
So you do
event
one
something.
thing. I will share you
Let's stop the processor.
1 second. Use this pod name and container name. Can you give along? Ah, you can stop it, right? So you can
Yeah.
give kubectl logs -f pod name and container name at a time. Logs -f pod name and container name. That is pod name. Yes. So what is the container name? Event simulator, I think so. Only event simulator. That's it. Event simulator.
This one, sir.
Hmm. Paste. Enter. Yes. So it will open all your image and container related logs at a time.
Yes, sir.
No, it will until unless you stop this, these logs will generate like this. Whenever you can see whatever online like this. So somebody using your maybe on top of your application, some image is there, right? Some container is there, right? So
Yes, sir.
maybe some whatever your application is running, maybe if it is down, maybe if it is up, someone is using as a user. Okay, at that time logs will be generated continuously. So now nobody is using, right? That's why it will be silent like this, or else it will be
Yes,
stay like this. So whenever you're so in real time, whenever you're using this logs, okay, whenever you are using logs command, so maybe pod will be running, okay, and container also will be running, right? So in real
yes, sir.
time user is using for their applications, so at the time logs will continuously generate, you can't see even, so continuously it will move like this. It will be move like
Yes, sir.
this, like that continuously it will move
Sir,
when
can we use
if it
this
is in
for another
application.
pod, sir?
Yeah, yeah,
Nginx pod.
you can use,
Can
this
we
is the
use
way,
the same
same
thing?
way. Yeah, yeah, you can use that also, right?
Yes, sir.
Send me that command. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. You can use that also.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Like we hosted with using Node port now, sir.
Hmm.
Previous class, using that while we are hosting, it will be generating like commands, no, sir. Like logs.
Correct.
Okay, okay, sir.
So what did you say once again?
Like if we use we exposed the port, no, sir. Using Node port,
Correct.
we exposed the
Hmm, hmm,
Nginx
hmm,
image,
hmm. For
and the
example,
port
for
was
example,
not
I'll tell you one
created.
thing, Ishwant.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
you are watching something by using logs. You are seeing something, but on top of that
Yes,
machine,
sir.
some image is there, right? That image is not
Yeah.
small image. Okay, that is image in the sense it's application. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so image which is there in, which is pulled from Docker Hub. Sorry, yeah, Docker Hub. Correct.
Yes, sir.
That container, whatever container which we have mentioned, in on top of that only it will work, so it will running, right? So
Yes, sir.
whenever you are using the applications, it continues for every single hit, it will generate one log. Okay, so you can see
Yes,
here from what is going on, you can able to see here if some any malfunctioning, some authentications are happening, you can able to see entire things from here itself.
yes, sir.
So like that. So here you can see 24 8:30 6 that 10:07. It is taking US time, not a big deal. Okay, fine. Right, this is all about monitoring. You understood? This
Yes, sir.
small concept, but is important concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how we can use in testing. So production we can't use this. Production purpose we have to use official documentation. Okay, I will share my
Okay.
screen. See this cluster level logging with Kubernetes. Okay, this is official document. Yes, it is official document only. Correct. So whatever you do, so you can take it from official document. You just follow this. Check, cross check once again.
Yes.
So in Kubernetes, if you go, Kubernetes blogs are there. See this? Monitor node health. Okay. So you can also use this. See this, right? What are those? They
Yes,
have
sir.
used to daemon set. Why daemon set? Last class we have seen. If you use daemon set, what will happen is this pod will create for all nodes. Correct. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So that's why whatever if you want to do any applications, if you want to do any task that should be in all the nodes, if you want to apply one task for the different all the nodes, so you can use daemon set, right? So that's why commonly daemon set got
Yes, sir.
created. This daemon set is for all the nodes, right? So that's why they have mentioned daemon set. Metadata name, no node problem detector so and so the name given, namespace so and so cube system default one. Okay, labels they have given some labels with versions. Okay, specifications, inspect what they have given, selectors match labels they have given. Correct. Okay, kubectl this is Kubernetes related cluster service. Okay, templates, so they have used some template spec again related to this, templates related, specifications, host network something, container related, image related. Okay, and security context, privilege to true, resources limits. Okay, here in this limits resources, resource management, this is resource management. In resource management what concept covers it? CPU. Okay, request to CPU, memories you can able to give you by your own. So how much memory you want you can set by your own for that specific pods. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so this is CPU 200, yeah, milliseconds they have given milli, I think m, and memory is 100, maybe 0.1 MB I think so. Request to CPU something this much. Okay, this is memory. Okay, volume mounts logs,
Yes,
mount
sir.
path log, read only true, yes, read only, volumes name, this is given. So likewise we can create. So using kubectl to enable node problem detector, right? So kubectl provides most flexible management of node problem detector. You can override the default configuration to fix into your net environment or detect customized node problems like this. Okay, monitor node health. To monitor your node health you can use, you have to create this, and by using this you can watch whatever commands which I have shown. Correct. So start node problem detector with so and so this kubectl will apply so and so this, right? Okay,
Yes.
this is for override the configurations. So there are a lot of things, not only this. So problem daemons. So monitoring tools for monitoring resources. Okay, give me 1 second. Where is official document? The same one. See, metrics for Kubernetes. Kube Control Manager, Proxy, API Server, Scheduler, and Kubelet. Okay, so metric life cycle. So hidden metrics, component metrics, Kube Scheduler metrics. Okay, so this is for logs. You see this? There are a lot of things. This document is not small one here. There are a lot of concepts are there. Metrics. This we had already discussed this one. Key metrics monitor Kubernetes, cluster health, pod metrics, service metrics, application metrics, okay, network metrics. So we have seen this, right? So pod metrics we have seen, cluster metrics we have seen, okay, application metrics, application in the sense image, okay, by using image we
Yes, sir.
have seen, okay. So right, so that's this is a way lot of metrics tools, Kubernetes metrics, Grafana. So this is internally, okay, by whatever we have seen that using internal metrics, okay, that is only certain level. But outside external metrics, if you want to watch your Kubernetes, entire Kubernetes, by using different third party tools, which is Prometheus, Grafana, okay, Cube State Metrics, okay, C Advisor, Node Exporter, so all this ELK stack, Thanos, Victoria Metrics. So these are all external third party tools for the monitoring and metrics. Okay, best practice for Kubernetes metrics, setup alerts, data dashboards, okay, dashboards, okay, monitoring resource quota. So this is all we have done already. So so it is showing, so these many metrics we have available. So we will, after this Kubernetes, maybe we'll see about maybe Prometheus, maybe Grafana, okay, all right. So ELK stack, anything, so depends upon our requirement and availability. So we'll see any one of that, and at lastly we'll see that, okay. So by using this git clone, so internally, so like this service, correct. So what is the service which we have used? Hmm? Metric
Metrics,
server, this one.
metrics.
By using metric server internally, C advisor, by using C advisor, we have configured and we have deployed and we have seen, so how the metrics are running in for CPU, okay, for pods, cluster, and so application, right. So the next concept, this is all about metrics, okay, and monitoring. Next
Yes,
we'll
sir.
see about cluster maintenance, and next some topics I have in mind: cluster maintenance, security, storage, and networks. We'll see all those one by one. After that, some other RBACs are there, okay, securities, all those will come into the picture. At lastly we'll see, so in Docker we have seen like Node Express and Node, right, for accessing the application by using Docker Compose, right?
Yes, sir.
The same way, we'll also set up, okay, we'll also set up one, I'll try to write manifest files for that. So by Kubernetes, by using Kubernetes, using pods, we'll try to access the application. How? Okay, how to control the application, how to launch the application, how to keep the securities, how to use securities, how to use config maps and all. Okay, so networks will cover in that everything. Okay, so at lastly we have to see, because we have to understand where exactly all these components, okay, where we exactly we have. So we have to learn one by one. At lastly we have to work on the application, then you can understand, right? We can use all the application in, so we can use all these concepts in that application. So then you can understand the concept clearly about Kubernetes, right? We are not going
Yes, sir.
that much very big level. Whatever level we have, that level we will try to utilize. Okay,
Yes, sir.
correct.
Okay.
Okay, that's all about this monitoring and metrics. We'll see in next class about cluster maintenance. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Take care. Bye.